Hello everybody. So today I just got a package. It's my latest eBay purchase, and it is the Hoover WindTunnel Widepath Supreme. As you can see, it's a translucent green. I really love that. You can see through the bag door. Sorry if you can't see it now because it's really dirty. Now this is basic. I already have the WindTunnel Supreme Anniversary Supreme up there. I will be doing a differences video, except that this one has a Maytag motor, hopefully, and that has a TTI. But on the other side, we're going to be unboxing the handle. Set the camera down. All right. Let's take off the handle. My last eBay purchase was the Hoover Caddy vac, my childhood vacuum, and you gotta cut this off too. I hope I'm not cut. Remember, if you're cutting something, always protect the surface under the object to prevent damage. Oh yeah. It's got a red switch like my self-propelled U6425, which is currently being used for parts. It's a U6430. It has a one like the WindTunnel bagless right there. All right, there's the attachments. It's got a tool cover. Oh yeah. You can turn this around where it should be like that. And now, oh. Yeah, here's the tool hose. Where's the hose? This is weird. It has a little pipe thing that would go here normally. Maybe the hose is in here. Oh yeah, the attachments are in here. This has got to be the hose. Yep, it is. Huh, it's just like the one on the Tempo bagless. We're just going to install it right into there. There we go. This hose is pretty thin, flimsy. Well, that's because it's been heating up. That's probably because it's been out in cold. Now, oh, the screws are already in there. That scared me for a sec. I thought, and the bolt as well. Let me get a screwdriver. My handy dandy Craftsman screwdriver. Let's get the hose off now. So, on these older Maytag wind tunnels, they're made to be they're made to be. People thought these weren't as good machines as they were, but I think they are great because that wind tunnel technology was like the Dyson of the 90s. Dyson was released in the US in 2002. So, it's got every attachment. Got every attachment with it. It's got a nicer tool cover than the older one. Oh, there we go. Now it looks like a wind tunnel. So, we're gonna go ahead and I want to have a Maytag motor in this machine, and if it does not, I'm going to part salvage my Tempo bagless, because that one has a Maytag motor. So, get the bolt in there, screw it in. I hope it's in the off position. That sounds about right. This is like, come on. Sorry I didn't do a full unboxing video. I just was eager to take it out, but then I realized, okay, come on. Okay, that's as good as I can do for now. So, I'm hungry. Alright, so we're just going to screw it on in there. After this, we're going to plug it in and see how it does. I just first need to get a temporary bag in it for now. Yeah, this filter though is Okay, let's get the hose on there. I want to order a pipe thing for this thing so I can attach I don't like this I like the stretch hoses better on these wind tunnels. Voila, everybody, so there we go. Now let's give her a short test. Here we go. Okay, it's for surely gonna need a belt, and it does have a Maytag motor. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please comment, subscribe for more, and I'll do an update, a full video when it's complete.